Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to put on one of my slip covers for the IKEA Poang chair, and this is the most popular chair from IKEA. People have actually had this chair in their family living room for decades. I get requests all the time, can you make a slip cover for this cushion that I've had for years and years and years? And I'm like, of course I can, and I'm happy to do it because I think every chair needs to be upgraded every year as your tastes change and as the trends change season by season. So right now, linen is huge in the home decor world, and I have a cover on this chair in crisp white linen, which is very classy, and it goes really great in any coastal themed decor or a beach house or farmhouse decor. It's just really a classic, and you can wash it, holds up fine. I always recommend hand washing in Woolite just because the fabric is a little bit more expensive, and drying and machine washing can really have a lot of wear and tear on the fabric. So hand wash in Woolite is what I recommend for all my fabrics. I'm just going to turn this chair around so you can see how it attaches to the frame. So I've created these little tabs on the ends of the cushion, on the ends of the cover, so it will hold the cushion in place on the frame. And this cover will fit pretty much every cushion that IKEA offers right now. So I'm going to show you how to switch it out. Okay, so before I show you how to put on a different cover for your Poang cushion, I'm just going to show you the three main types of cushions that IKEA offers for this chair frame. So this is the one I just had on. You can see it has an attached bolster headrest with a velcro strip on the back of it. So this is very common. This one is probably the most common. I used to call this the flap style because it has a flap headrest also attached, and it also has a velcro strip at the back. This one is pretty much similar to the newest ones they have the last couple of years. It's just literally a plain rectangle. The ones in stores, I believe, are red or beige, and they have rigid lines going down the cushion. But it's pretty much a rectangle like this. And over the years, IKEA always changes the names of all their cushions, but the sizing is consistent, and it's basically the same cushion with a different cover on it and a new name. So the other style that they offer is this older retro style, which consists of this part and then also a headrest with leather straps like this that you basically attach over the frame. So, like that. So, now I'm going to show you how to put the cover on these cushions. This is the cover I'm going to be using today. This is a 4-inch buffalo check in black and beige. And you can see here I have the tabs at the top that I talked about earlier. And all you're going to do is you are going to open up the invisible zipper that is located on the back at the bottom end. Just like that. And then you are going to take your cushion and you are going to hold it with the back towards you like this. You're going to fold it in half, and you are going to insert it into the opening. So, let's see. Of the cover. I've done this a lot, so I've built up my arm strength, but don't be discouraged if it takes you a minute. Give it a shake down. We're going to zip it up, and remember that the zipper is supposed to be on the back at the bottom end of the cushion, underneath the seam. Give it a bit of a shake, put it on the chair, just like this, and then I'm going to turn it around, and we are going to attach the Velcro straps around the frame, just like that. And on this side, just like that. So, here you have it. Brand new cover for your IKEA Poang chair. And a lot of people ask me, with this style of cushion, can they use it with the detachable headrest? And absolutely. All you need to do is put the bolster headrest in first into the cover, and then followed by the body, and those little Velcro straps will hold the headrest in place on the cushion and on the chair. So thank you for watching this, and I hope you like my covers.